So our business is called Ma3aak Application. It's specialized in roadside assist for cars and for car maintenance, and actually for all kind needs and inquiries. We cover all the services that the cars need. All these services are being provided through a mobile application, and it's also supported with local assets, service centers and fleets for roadside assistance and on-site services. We started our business 2 years ago in February 2018, and it was a quite nice journey so far. One of our biggest challenges was the reporting challenge. We didn't have enough reporting options regarding our customers database. Our customers database, it includes almost so far 30,000 customers. We need reporting tool that can give us a specific and an accurate numbers regarding their car types, regarding the issues and how to categorize these issues, regarding their needs and how to schedule futuristic needs. So we've been doing this kind of job manually. In our application, we have this option, but not in detail. And that's actually one of the answers that we found in GaragePlug as a tool. The first is data analysis. Using the data and the information that is gathered in the GaragePlug, we can make data analysis better. Plus the history and the reports. The report system in GaragePlug is very magnificent and very easy to use. Also, it has a very nice and easy user interface. Plus, this is an added value for the GaragePlug tool, let's say. And the support, of course, the technical support that GaragePlug provides us is very, 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 very good. They are very responsive, and we never ask about we never report the same problem twice. If we have a problem or if we have something that needs to be solved, we do it once, and the technical team, they are very supportive. Once the problem is solved, we don't face it again. First of all, the world is changing, and also the tools regarding any kind of business is changing. GaragePlug is a very helpful tool, and it's up to date, and it's also giving you a great tools and opportunities to expand and analyze your business in a better way, a better and scientific way. So I recommend Garage tools for many reasons based on our use for this tool, for GaragePlug. We recommend it very high, first of all because of the data that can be analyzed. Also for the after-sales team and technical support. Also for the many options that any customer could have in GaragePlug. So inventory, sales, purchases, everything can be documented, same as you are doing it on any regular accounting program or software. So it's very unique and very multitask between accounting tool and reporting tool and data analyzing tool. I really recommend it for everyone who is in this industry. I don't know about other industries, but in automotive industry, it's a very helpful tool. Besides that, you have the notification option which can be automated. You can, which is a great feature, that you can send notifications for your customers using the database that you have. You can send notifications for them as a reminders for the upcoming services, for just to make the customer feel that you really care about him and about his car. And it's not only it's not a fixed selling method. No, people, they tend to be more personal, and they prefer the vendors who treat them personally, not business-wise. And this is also a great tool in GaragePlug, and we use it a lot.